Hi guys, मैं हूँ Reaction वाली and in today's video I'll be reacting to the trailer of this upcoming Kannada romantic comedy film called Ninna Sani Hake. It's got in the leading role Suraj Gowda and Dhanya Ramkumar. This movie is super duper special for two main reasons. Number one, it is one of the most keenly awaited films for the family of late Dr. Ramkumar because this movie marks the debut of his granddaughter Dhanya Ramkumar. And the second reason being the leading actor in this movie, Suraj Gowda. Well, he is not just acting in the movie. Let me tell you, he's also written and also directed this film. The music for this film has been composed by Raghu Dixit and it's releasing on the 20th of August, so do mark your calendars. So let's dive right into the trailer, guys. But before that, here's a request that if you're watching this reaction video of mine for the first time, then please do subscribe to my channel and also hit the bell icon to stay updated with all my latest videos. Introducing Dhanya Ramkumar. Pretty she is.
ಹೆಸರು ಅಮೃತ ಅಂತ ಮನೆಯವರೆಲ್ಲ ಪ್ರೀತಿಯಿಂದ ಡಿಂಪಿ ಅಂತ ಕರೀತಾರೆ.
ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ಆದಿ ಅಂತ ನಮ್ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರೀತಿಯಿಂದ ನಾಯಿ ಕತ್ತೆ ಕೋತಿ ಅಂತ ಕರೀತಾರೆ.
ಡಂಕಿ
ನಾಳೆಯಿಂದ ಹೇಗಿದ್ರು ನಿಮ್ಮನ್ನ ಫಾಲೋ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು.
ಯಾಕೆ?
ನಮ್ಮಮ್ಮ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಫಾಲೋ ಯುವರ್ ಡ್ರೀಮ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ.
ನೈಸ್.
ಮದುವೆ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ಕಣ. ನೀನು ಮನೆ ಖಾಲಿ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಲೈ ಅವಳು ಮದುವೆ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಬಂದಿರ್ತಾಳೆ ಕಣ. ನೀ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀಯಾ? ಕಬಾಬ್ ಮೇ ಅಡ್ಡಿ.
ಈಜಿನಾ
ಇನ್ನೆಲ್ಲಿರ್ಲಿ, ಐ ಡೋಂಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಅ ಚಾಯ್ಸ್. ನಿಮ್ಮನೇಲಿ ಬಂದಿರಲ್ಲ.
ಯಾ
ಅಮೃತ, ಮನೆಗೆ ಯಾರೋ ಗೆಸ್ಟ್ ಬಂದಾಗಿದೆ.
ಯಾರಮ್ಮ ಅವರು?
ಯಾರಪ್ಪ ನೀನು?
Oh my god, no. Cousin.
ಯಾರು?
ನಾವು ಅಮೃತನ ಅಪ್ಪ ಅಮ್ಮ.
Oh god, her mom and dad. Happily ever after is a myth. Oh
ಮೇಲೆ
god.
ಸಿಗರೇಟ್ ಸೇತಾ ಇದೆಯೋ ಲೋಫರ್.
Crazy.
ನಿನ್ ಬೇಬ್ ರೇಚಲ್ ಮೆಸೇಜ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು. ಮರ್ಯಾದೆಯಿಂದ ಅವಳನ್ನ ಅನ್ಫಾಲೋ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಸರಿ.
ಹೋಗ್ಲಿ ಬಿಡು, ಹೆಂಗಿದ್ರು ಫೇಕ್ ಪ್ರೊಫೈಲ್ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ.
ನಾನು ಆ ಫೇಕ್ ಪ್ರೊಫೈಲ್ನು ಫಾಲೋ ಮಾಡಿ.
Crazy.
ಓಹೋ, ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಯೂಶುವಲ್ ಆಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ಯಾ ನಿಂಗೆ?
ಓಹೋ, ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ
ಅವಳು ಯಾಕೆ ನಿನ್ನ ಬೇಬಿ ಅಂತ ಕರಿಬೇಕು? ಬ್ರೋ ಅಂತ ಕರಿಬೋದಲ್ವಾ?
Very next to breakfast is Gowda. Full package it seems, this movie.
All men are the same.
ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದೆ ನಮ್ಮ ರಿಲೇಶನ್ಶಿಪ್.
ಎಲ್ಲೋ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಅಪ್ಪ ಕೆಟ್ಟ ಬುದ್ಧಿ, ಅದೇ ಕೆಟ್ಟ ರಕ್ತ ಹರಿತಾ ಇದೆ.
Oh no. Misunderstanding. Separation.
Such a beautiful feeling, ಗೊತ್ತಾ? I really trust him.
ನಾ ಮದುವೆ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಅವಳಷ್ಟು ಖುಷಿಯಾಗಿರೋ ಹೆಂಡತಿ ಬಹುಶಃ ಪ್ರಪಂಚದಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾರೂ ಇರಲ್ಲ.
ನಾವು ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಹೀಗೆ ಇರ್ತೀವಲ್ವಾ?
ನೀನು ತೋರಿಸಿದ ಧ್ರುವ ತಾರೆ ಇರೋ ತನಕ ನಾವಿಬ್ರು ಹೀಗಿದ್ದೇ ಇರ್ತೀವಿ. ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಎ ಪ್ರಾಮಿಸ್.
August this releasing. Ninna Sani Hake. Okay, so this trailer hints at the fact that this movie is going to be a complete package. There is an interesting story, there's a beautiful love story, there are some wonderful songs, the BGM score. Also, there are fight sequences. So all in all, it's going to be this entertainment powerhouse for the audience. So I can't really wait for the movie, which is set to hit the screens on the 20th of August. So talking about the trailer, so the two protagonists of the movie, Aditya and Amrita, though they are in love, but they are totally opposite to each other. They're like poles apart in terms of nature and characteristics. And I think that's what makes them click, because like they say that opposites always attract. So on one hand, Amrita is this easygoing and, you know, chill sort of a girl. Also, she's a little soft, but totally opposite to her is this guy called Aditya, who is a little wacky in his characteristics and mannerisms, and also he's sort of, you know, this unpredictable guy, and that's what I liked about their characters, because they're totally opposite to each other, and I think that's what will make it an interesting watch to you know, see them together when they are living with each other and husband and wife, and the problems and the issues which come later on. The funny part, as for me, in the trailer was when the relationship phase between these two actors is shown, where Amrita is kind of, you know, doubtful about the fact that maybe Aditya is going around with other women, and the way she's like, even if you have a fake profile, then I'm following that profile as well. So that part was really funny. So like I said, that they're totally opposite to each other, so it'll be a blast to see them together, because I know how difficult it's going to be for the both of them to adjust with each other. And another funny part was when you know, Amrita is staying with Aditya, and she has told everyone around that he is her cousin, and that's the point where her parents also arrive at her place. I think it's gonna be a hilarious and a crazy ride to, you know, watch all these people, because I'm sure there's going to be a lot of confusion, a lot of troublemaking in the house, and I think that's what is going to make the movie all the more worth watching. But like they say that every love story is totally incomplete without its share of obstacles and roadblocks and problems and whatnot. So same is the case with this love story as well. Though I could not really figure out what will be the roadblock in their love story, but there's a dialogue where Amrita says to Aditya that he has turned out to be exactly like one of his parents. So I think the upbringing angle might come into the picture and might play a hurdle in their relationship, because like I said initially that Amrita turns out to be the soft and, you know, easygoing girl, but there are some issues with Aditya which we'll get to know once we watch the movie. So I think this, you know, the upbringing angle, the parents angle, the family angle might be a troublemaker in their relationship, but like it happens in reality too. If people are in love, they make things happen. I thoroughly enjoyed watching this trailer. It's going to be a fun ride. I am very sure about it. And yes, one cannot miss out the songs as well. Few songs have already been released from the movie, and they've been liked as well by the audience. They've been accepted with a lot of warmth and love by the audience. And talking about the pair of Suraj Gowda and Dhanya Ramkumar, well, both of them are looking really good together, and it'll be really amazing to watch their chemistry unveil on the screen. So guys, that was my reaction on the trailer of this upcoming movie called Ninna Sani Hake. I hope you liked it. कैसा लगा आपको मेरा reaction? Please मुझे बताएं comment section में. Other than that, if you have some more suggestions for my future reaction videos, कोई teaser है, trailer है, song है, scene है जिस पे आप मेरा reaction देखना चाहते हैं, तो बिंदास आप अपने सारे suggestion मेरे साथ share कर सकते हैं. Other than that, you can also connect with me on Instagram and Twitter by simply typing reaction wali. So that's about it guys. अब reaction wali को दीजिए इजाजत, मुलाकात होगी next वाले reaction video में. तब तक के लिए always stay positive and keep smiling.